Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Reddit. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings, and above you search about Reddit and you click. Here we click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.